How to log into Malaysia Airlines Enrich. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Malaysia Airlines Enrich login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, malaysiaairlines.com. Open it. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide your account's credentials. Go ahead and type in your email address and password, or also you can log in using Google or Apple ID. In the case you have created your account using Google or Apple ID, you can just click on these options given over here and log into your account. Or else you can type in your email address. Then go ahead and type in the password. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option to recover it. After you fill this, click on login, and just with that you will be logged into your account. If you haven't created your account yet, click on this option and go through the process. Well, this way you can easily log into Malaysia Airlines Enrich. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.